Save water, save money, and save space with FlowCo by Eemax, the #1 supplier of electric tankless water heating solutions. FlowCo is a reliable non-thermostatic water heater delivering endless hot water on demand. FlowCo is ideal for single sensor faucets or metering faucets for hand washing and other fixed flow applications. FlowCo provides hot water safely and consistently. FlowCo features a compact design, intelligent controls, self-diagnostics, and low-flow activation. Safe Start technology protects against the occurrence of dry fire. Quickly determine system status and operation feedback via InfoQ, an intuitive LED indicator. FlowCo mounts in any orientation and doesn't require venting, so it can be conveniently installed beneath a cabinet or under a sink. Simply run a cold water line to the unit for a standalone hot water source at the point of use. Easy to specify, easy to install, easy to maintain. FlowCo from Eemax. Eemax is the proven expert in electric tankless water heating. Our engineering and product teams are dedicated to customer-centric innovation, and our support team offers best-in-class service. Like all our products, FlowCo delivers proven performance you can count on. With more hot water solutions than anyone else in the business, Eemax is the go-to choice for plumbing professionals around the world. For more information about FlowCo and our full line of products, visit emax.com or give us a call at 800-543-6163.